In this Guitarlele video, haha, the one and only intro to Sweet Home Alabama. All right, we're not going to do it that fast. We're going to slow it down a little bit, but I'm going to show you all those licks. Actually, there's one little ending lick I'm going to show you as well. But anyway, welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. I'm going to be your Guitarlele guide in this video. But if you're into Guitarlele, tutorials and reviews, also ukulele and baritone, this is a great channel for you. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe, turn on that bell notification. Also, find me over on Instagram at ukelikethepros. So we've been doing this in the weekly Guitarlele Q&A that we do for all my premium members. That's premium members at ukelikethepros.com. Come on over. We got Guitarlele courses. I am filming a new Guitarlele course. Matter of fact, I filmed it right before I'm doing this video. And we do weekly Q&As on the Guitarlele. We have people all over the world that come and join us for these. So if you're interested in Guitarlele or want to become interested, ukelikethepros is the place for you. All right, so this is a great song. Sweet Home Alabama, Lynyrd Skynyrd, one of the great Southern rock bands of all time, one of my personal favorites as well. 3 chords. The whole song is 3 chords. And on the Guitarlele, I'm going to show you these chords because you actually need them for the song. Just your simple G chord, your F add 9 chord, and then your C chord. Now, if you want to just strum it, like you just want to strum and sing, you can just do those. But that's not what this one's about. This one is about showing you that cool lick that everybody knows. Once you play it, everyone's be like, dude, yes, I love it. And then they say, play Freebird. That would be a different lesson. I'll show you that one. Those chords aren't that hard on that one either. All right, but let's check this out. All right, so grab your G chord. I'm doing this one all fingerstyle, by the way. It's gonna go. So that's the first note. So open, 3, 2, and open. Now, by the way, all these notes, except for like that little lick at the end, they're just arpeggio. So they're all just right from the chord. So matter of fact, all of these notes are just right in this chord shape. So all you got to do is get the right string and get the right rhythm. Then it goes to the F add 9. But for this intro lick, you're actually going to take your first finger off and you're just going to play it like this. It's basically the same chord, but we're going to need that 4th string open. Okay, so the pattern though is this. And we need that open string right there on that very last note, okay? So, boom, boom. And then it goes right to the C chord. Those 3 notes, and then, whoo, yeah, pretty cool, okay? So you go to your C chord, you're gonna hit that twice, and then open. Now you're gonna hold for a second on this open 3rd string. You're gonna hit it again, but that second time you hit it is actually part of the lick. Okay, so it's going to start here with a hammer on from 5th string, 0 to 2. Then open, 4th string, and then a pull off from 2 to 0. Back to 2 on the 5th string. And then to the 3rd string, pull off from 2 to 0. Okay, that's a little tough. You want to get used to it. All right, let's just do this first couple bars here. And I'll show you the second part. 3 and... Now, the second part is going to be exactly the same, but it's going to have this cool little lick at the end, okay? So, with a nice little bend there, all right? So, it's going to do all the same thing. And now what this lick is going to go from a hammer-on pull-off, so that's the 3rd string, 0, 2 to open. And then you're going to hit the 4th string open, back to the 3rd string, 4, 0, pull off, 4th string open, and then you got to bend here, the 3rd string, 5th fret. It is supposed to be a whole step bend, which is a lot on this, which means you're supposed to get this note all the way up there, which is really quite a big bend, all right? So that's that last lick. So on the C chord here's. All right, and it kind of happens fast because you got to get back to it. So just get that bend. Try to get it up a whole step, but do the best you can. All right, let's do the second half here. Ready, and. All right, and now that's the whole lick. Now, I told you there's one little ending part there. It's actually not part of this intro, but I do it just as kind of a nice way to wrap this up, which is instead of doing this lick, you're just going to do this. Just kind of a nice ending. That actually does happen in the next part of the song, which we're not going to get into today. All it is sliding up, 5th string, open 4th string, and then right there on the C chord. Right, so that's it. Let's do it now. We're going to do the whole thing 2 times, and the second time we're going to end on that lick right there. Come on, let's go. Here we go. A 1, 2, 3, and... All right, there you go. Sweet Home Alabama. It's actually a pretty tricky little lick. You got to get it down, practice it, get a fingering that works for you. Don't be so concerned about what your right hand's doing. Just get the right notes. Use a pick if you have to. But thanks for being here. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for leaving a comment. Hope you enjoyed that. And we'll see you in the next one again. If you like Guitarlele, ukelikethepros.com. That's your place for Guitarlele courses and Q&As.